Alright YouTubes, how are we all doing? Hope you're all well. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be announcing the winner of the AI Box Elite review that I've done. So if you commented on that video and if you commented Alright YouTubes on there, you're in for a chance of winning. So I'm going to use a comment picker and we're going to do this now. And Mrs. Humble's here as the adjudicator. Say hello, Mrs. Humble.
Hello, Mrs. Humble.
Fair enough. So yeah, let's see who the winner is. So there's the link to the video. So I'll copy the link. We'll go to YouTube random comment picker. Paste the link. And then we use keyword filter. So the keyword was alright YouTubes with an S. There's 16 comments with that in it. So let's pick a winner. So this is the winner. It's Endo3939. So yeah, you're the winner of the AI Box Elite. So if you want to email me with the details of where you want the device sent, my email is on the home page of the channel. Email me with the details, and I'll give you a verification word, and just comment on your comment on the video itself with the word that I've given you. And once you've done that, I can verify that you're genuine, and I'll get it sent out to you. So yeah, that's it. It's my first giveaway. Congratulations to Endo3939. And yeah, once you've verified that it's you, I'll get that sent out to you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you again in the next one. Look after yourselves. Cheers.